Guys, in this video I will teach you how to manage 100% on this usage. Alright, but before we begin, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to support my channel, my small channel. Okay, let's begin. First, go to the search button and then type device manager. As you can see, because my disk is 100%, it's so slow. And then when you see device manager, you click open. Yeah, I'm sorry about my PC because it's so slow, because it's using 100% of my disk. And then when device manager will pop up, you just wait a minute. This is an actual configuration, so we can see after this the progress. So that we will go to software, right? We will see the system devices. We will double click it, left click. Alright, this will appear. We will find the high precision event timer. We will disable it, left click, then disable the device. Okay, and then this will pump up. It will stop with that. Okay, don't worry, we will just click yes. Right, after that we will close the device manager. Then we will go back to the system, to the search button, and we will type power plan. Yeah, power plan. Yeah, after that this will appear edit power plan. So we'll open this, and then this will pop up. We will click change advanced power setting, and then this will appear. We will click this one. We will choose high performance. After that we will click apply, and then okay. After that we will close again this one, and then we will go back to the search button again. We will type services, and then this will appear, system services. We will run as administrator. Okay, we will just wait a little bit. And then this will appear. We will find remote desktop services. Okay, I maximize the letter R, remote distance services, remote desktop services. Okay, this one. We will right click it, go to properties, and then this will appear. In the startup, you click disable. Okay, the system has stopped. We will apply and click OK. After we do that, we will find the system main. System name is SYS main. this one, system main. Right click, properties, and then in the startup we choose disable. Okay, we will click the stop and then apply, and then hit OK, and then we will find Windows search. In the search, click, right click, properties, and then this one, disable, stop, click stop. After that, apply, and then hit OK. And then we will go to the last one, Windows Update. Right click, click properties, and then disable. After that, it's already stopped, so apply and click OK. After that, we will close, and then last part is go to the search button. We type start up apps. This one, start up apps. Click open, and then wait, we will choose which app is running, which contribute to the which apps are running when you start up your PC, because some apps will make your computer slow. So choose whatever startup you will turn off, and then you're good to go. After that, you will close the app, and then you will hit the restart button. That's it, guys. I hope I help you in your problem. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. Thank you. Bye bye.